CPR stands for cardiopulmonary resuscitation. It is an emergency life-saving technique used to manually keep blood and oxygen flowing to the vital organs when someone's heart has stopped beating or they have stopped breathing. CPR involves chest compressions and rescue breaths to maintain circulation and provide oxygen to the body until professional medical help arrives. Tap and check for response. Call 1122 to ask someone else to lay the person on their back and open their airways. If they are not breathing, start CPR. Start compression. 100 to 120 per minute compressions. 2 rescue breath. Repeat until an ambulance or AED arrives.